and I got a call from George Harrison. He said that his sitar teacher, Ravi Shankar, called him and told him that his homeland of Bangladesh was under severe famine. People were dying, starving and dying. He asked George if he could do anything to help him, to help the country. So George decided he was going to have a concert, invite all of his friends to come play, and give all the money to Bangladesh. He's going to do it at Madison Square Gardens. So he asked me if I'd help him. I said, sure, I'll do that. So we went up to Madison Square Gardens. I think we got there about 3 hours before the first show was supposed to start. The rest of them had been up there for about 4 days in person. I don't think George liked to rehearse any more than I did. But there was one guy in particular that we wanted to come. We didn't know if he was going to be able to come. He hadn't played any place in 2 years. He had had a serious motorcycle accident. I think he may have even broken his neck. And we didn't know if he was going to be able to come. And then he showed up. There he was. So he got up on the stage. He called George up to play guitar, called Ringo up to play tambourine, and called me up to play bass, of all things. So we played that little show, went back to the dressing room. Now, dressing rooms at Madison Square Gardens are big. They're for hockey teams and basketball. Anybody who have a tractor pull up there, I don't know. I'm not going to say it's as big as this room. It's probably about 3/4 the size of this room. And we had a pretty good sized cast. I was sitting over there in the corner with this guy. He had his guitar, and everybody else was way over on the other corner, like I was afraid to come around him. He was always very nice to me. He told me everything I wanted to know about show business and songwriting and New York City and life. Any kind of questions that I had, he answered them for me. So we were sitting there and I said, play It's All Over Now, Baby Blue. He played that. I say, play Boots of Spanish Leather. He played that. He played all the stuff that I asked him to play. So we was getting ready to go do the second show, 2 shows in 1 day. We was walking up towards the stage and he said to me, do you think that second crowd will be anything like the first crowd? I said, well, there's going to be 20,000 of them, and they probably like just about anything you do. So we went up there and did that. After it was over with, I cut 6 of his songs for him and sent them to him for his birthday. This is one of them.